germs. It's a cold morning out here. All right, so as you can see, I kind of knew this was gonna happen. This cooling system is working way too well. We're not running hot enough, but it is what it is. I really wanted to drive this car, so hopefully everything should be fine. I'm thinking in my head that the oil temperature should be okay, even if the coolant temperature is too cold. So yeah, should be fine. But we are on our way to get a rear subframe, so very excited about that, and visit with some cool people. So today should be a fun day. Had to make a pit stop and visit the boys. You already know it. Insane Paint here in Pelham, Alabama. They got some pretty cool stuff here right now. Check this bad girl out. I mean, dang. Like, this thing is sauced. It's clean. Now you already know though, there's a Buc-ee's up ahead up here. And I know it's like culture, tourist destination #1, but we're gonna stop at it. I'll probably top off on gas and go inside and check out what they got. I don't want to grab an energy drink regardless, but you gotta stop at Buc-ee's. And then also, a little fun fact, just so happens this Buc-ee's is on the same exit as Barber Motorsports Park, which is an amazing racetrack we are blessed to have here in Alabama. And yeah, oh, there's a cop. All right, we just entered Georgia. Getting a little closer. Welcome to Atlanta. This is where I was born, and it's probably where I'm about to live the next 2 hours in traffic. So, yep, good stuff. Georgia. Never been here before.
Take the exit, then bear right onto State Route 53 East.
Appreciate that, Siri. So, I'm not sure if I found the right place. You guys tell me. What do you think? All right. Got the subframe in the back. I brought garbage bags. I set it on my jacket. Got to keep this thing clean. Big shout out Alex. That's his place. Everything in there is absolutely awesome. He's got tons of spare parts. I'm gonna put a link to his Instagram right here. Yo. Okay, that was sick. I'm gonna put his link to his Instagram right here if you guys need just about anything in the Georgia area or the surrounding states. This dude has what you need. Just give him a holler and he'll get you hooked up. All right, let's hit the road.
I like going to Maine. It's tiny.
Yeah, I was just over there. We're gonna get a free cookie?
We are.
We rate it
with the survey.
What are you gonna rate it? 2 stars?
Yeah.
We're getting ready to head back to Meridian. This is my boy Chris.
Oh, there's the patrol.
Oh man.
Same guy. He's so mad.
He has a window down too. He was looking. But anyways, I'm getting ready to head back to Meridian. It was fun to hang out with Chris today, and we got a long drive ahead. But yeah,
it's gonna be fun.
We'll get ready to bully Chris more come April. Okay, so I lied. I actually missed Buc-ee's on the way in. Oh, wow. Okay. Behold. Behold. Also, I think there's something supercharged BMW-wise behind me. This shouldn't even be real. This is ridiculous. Anyways, guys, car is doing fantastic. We got about 2.5 hours left of driving, but this thing's looking good and it's driving great. Subframe's still back here doing just fine. Just parked here for the picture, so I'm gonna go over there because I your boy's gotta pee. So for those of you who have never been here before, or don't live in Texas, or here in Leeds, Alabama, this place has food, they have merchandise, they have arts and crafts things, they have every food and beverage you could possibly imagine. It's absurd. After an amazing day road tripping the E36, picking up the rear subframe from Alex, and hanging out with awesome friends, it was time to go ahead and get all the parts ready and clean for powder coat. What's going on, guys? It's another day. We are pulling up to CT Metal Fabrication, and we have the front subframe in the back of the vehicle right now, and my buddy Matt is going to get this thing welded up. We're going to weld in the Condor Speed Shop reinforcement plates just because this car has a lot more power in its future. So yeah, we're pulling up right now. I'm going to pull the camera back out once we talk to Matt, and we'll get a game plan down, and I'm going to give him the camera, so this should be pretty interesting.
He's building a drift BMW.
Yeah, I'm building my drift car.
A drift BMW?
Mm-hmm.
You gonna have way out, or you gonna ease into it?
Well, I mean, I'm kind of going crazy right off the bat with the build.
Oh,
I got the whole front subframe out, rear's coming out next.
Hold on. Are we bagging or just dropping?
Oh, it's slammed already. Yeah, it's static. No bags around here. Both my cars.
There you go. So you put nitrous in?
No, so it's already got an M3 engine in it, and it's already, like, it makes good power already.
So you're using a rocket off of a rocket that you stole from NASA. Look, this ain't Fast and Furious.
Yo, Matt, if you're watching this, I just wanted to say thank you so much. Things like this, what you're doing right here, going the extra mile to make things that nobody's ever gonna see on my cars look beautiful. This is really why I always have you do my stuff. If you guys are anywhere near Meridian, Mississippi, and you have anything automotive or just general welding related that you want done right, Matt is the guy. Just hit me up and I'll put you in touch with him. Thank you so much, Matt. Alright, so as you can see, we've got everything laid out nice and neatly here, from the X-brace to the front subframe, the steering rack and the tie rods, both knuckles, and I left the control arms attached to the knuckles because I didn't want to push my luck getting the ball joints off. They're actually in decently good shape. These things are dirty and could benefit from some fresh paint, but they're really not that bad, so I figured might as well try to save at least a little money. But anyways, yeah, I mean, you guys can see how just disgusting all of this stuff is. Especially like here, let's view a little. Like, just look at all that. I mean, it's just caked up oil, and steering rack is bad too. All that on there. So obviously all this needs to be deep cleaned. I'm gonna paint what I can, powder coat what I can. Another thing I wanted to mention, let me pick this back up, is I also took these banjo bolts because they're all that I had that would fit in here, and I just wrapped tape around them just to prevent water from ingressing into the rack, just because that would definitely not be ideal. Some might still get in there, but it shouldn't really matter that much. I'll blow it out, and we'll probably do a couple fluid flushes on this thing. But yeah, so that's kind of what we're working with, getting started. There's also oil caked up on this. So now
I'm just gonna go ahead and set the camera up and get to scrubbing. Straight up skip to brake cleaner on this thing because it is bad. All right, guys, so that pretty much concludes the cleaning. Everything came out absolutely fantastic. It's pretty wild, the transformation all this stuff went through. I'll give a quick few cinematic shots here in just a second, but yeah, that was a lot of work. Some things I'm gonna point out. These hard lines have been taken for powder coat because they're no longer available. The rack cleaned up really, really well. This front subframe, I'm actually taking this to my buddy tomorrow, Matt, who is going to weld in the reinforcement plates for the engine mount points. And then it's gonna be taken along with everything else that I can take for powder coat. Gonna be taken for powder coat tomorrow, or I'm sorry, 2 days from now. And yeah, I mean, everything came out pretty good. So I'll get a few cinematic shots and we'll continue on. I have to get a little creative with this actually. Okay, so we got everything loaded up in the Forester. We're going to alloy wheel repair tomorrow in Pelham, Alabama to get all this stuff powder coated. It's really actually not that much because we can't do the knuckles or anything like that. I'm gonna paint those just because I can't take the wheel bearings out. But yeah, this is a pretty good start. Front subframe's the main thing. But yeah, I'll check back in with you guys in the morning. All right, guys, big shout out alloy wheel repair here in Pelham, Alabama. Got me all hooked up. Gonna be taking care of everything for a really good price. If you guys need anything with wheel repair, powder coat, just about anything here in Pelham, Alabama, these are the guys you want to do it. Should be ready in about 2 weeks. All right. Hey guys, so I'm editing this video and I just realized I never actually recorded an official outro. So thank you so much for watching this video. And also, I know it was a little all over the place, so I hope you guys actually enjoyed it. I had a fantastic time driving the E36 to Georgia and getting that subframe and seeing my friends. And I'm just really wanting this year to be full of more adventures like that. So anyways, we're starting back work on the car in the next one, and I will see you guys then. Keep your heads up and much love.
Last century.